Good day, guys. This is your tutor engineer. Today I'm going to show you how to solve for x given a difference of two squares. So today we're going to be doing this topic, difference of two squares. We actually started from around grade 8 all the way to grade 12. So this is a typical grade 12 question. So a difference of two squares, how do you recognize it? So it has two squares, as the name entails. This is the first square because you see 2x plus 1 is squared, and then 4 is a square, right? How do you notice a square? If you put a square root around it, you get the whole number. So if you have a question like this, you just have to open two brackets, especially it's a difference, meaning there's a minus in between them. So that's what the difference means. So you're going to put on the first bracket 2x plus 1, which is the first square, right? Let's just put it in bracket to keep the integrity. So the first bracket will have minus. So the square root of 4 is 2. Okay, let's just keep it like this. Then on the second bracket, you're kind of going to have the same thing, 2x plus 1 as well. The difference is you'll have plus 2 instead of. So you actually have to just flip the signs. If that's minus, this will be positive. If this minus, that's positive, or vice versa. So you've got two brackets like that. So okay, here you can actually drop the brackets. On the first one, drop the inner bracket, and then do likewise on the second bracket. Okay, here I'm missing a plus 1. Okay, then here you'll have 2x minus 1 on the first bracket, 2x plus 3 on the second bracket. I'm sure you can recognize how to do it from here now. So that now is going to be 2x minus 1 is 0, or 2x plus 3 is 0. So this will be 2x is minus 3. Just you have to slow down, guys, especially if you are not used to jumping the steps, lest you'll make a lot of mistakes. So it really doesn't hurt if you do all the steps, but you have to do it the right way. So that is 1 over 2. So this is just one way of doing it. I'm just going to talk about the second way of doing it, right? So if, for instance, you're not happy with this way, so this is just the traditional way of doing it. Now I'll show you another way just now. Let me write this question over here. Another way is to just take, if you're solving for x, you're just going to take the 4 across over to the other side, then it will be plus 4. Then from here on, you introduce the square roots. Remember what you do on the left, you do on the right. So here, if you introduce a square root, the answer will be plus or minus 2. Okay, so that's basically 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. That's the positive part of the 2. Then you have the negative part of the 2. So that's just 2x is minus 2 minus 1. Remember, you just have to be careful with your steps. The longer they are, the less you are able to make mistakes. So that's the same answer as that one. I'm sure you can recognize it. And then here we'll have 2 minus 1. Then 2x is equal to 1, and then x is 1 over 2. So that's the other way. So these are the two ways that you can solve for x given the difference of two squares. Obviously, sometimes you'll be asked to factorize without an equal sign. So in this way, this will be the method. This one is only applicable, the second one, it's only applicable if you're solving for x. But if you just given the question to say factorize this difference of two squares, for instance, it doesn't say you must solve for x. So that's the only way. So this method, I like it. It's the first one because it's well-rounded. I think you should learn it. So it makes you to do a lot of things all at once, gain multiple skills on different types of questions. Okay, thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the video. So don't forget to subscribe so that I can create more videos for you. Then stay tuned on the next video. Cheers.